The locals of Twibaklai village in protest organized a road block demanding for fresh drinking water, electricity supply and proper road connectivity in the village premises. TTAADC CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia met the protesters and inspected the village condition. State government has come up with various development schemes with millions of budgets for the overall development of the state. However, every year the villages in rural has always been ignored. The developmental schemes never reach to the village where the indigenous people of Tripura lives. Consequently, the indigenous people across the state were forced to protest and organize roadblock to demand their basic rights and needs. As such, the locals of Twibaklai village in protest organized a roadblock demanding for fresh drinking water, electricity supply and proper road connectivity in the village premises. TTAADC CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia met the protesters and inspected the village condition. The CEM, while interacting the media, said he had sent a letter to the Chief Minister several times on this issue. However, no initiative or response was made by the government.
Chini lahar kasumani ongkha chini lama belai khan hamya chini lama belai khan hamya ekdom 6-7 ta jaga ekdom lama kepek ekdom kisapan laimanya haini bagai jung sanmang butpa khangkar nai obhai mang sausono
samno san
jung do jung je sarkar tongnai rono je abo sarkar khai tongnai rono jung sano chini sar MLA songrono jung sano boro ongkha khlairi phane ni sawo boro khlairi phaya hangka tabo orani theke ompi thru sung pis bro ri nai hingka rimaya khu buskang ni November mas ni timir nai ni saw bro hingka aboni sekang to sung tabo sung chore ni nangna bile sung kabang mas sung rugi ongi bo sung ritrak bai balai si sung wa bai khai sung balai si sung ha ka sung malai haini bagai sung aukli busu bani horin sumi sung target na laikha mitin da kholai sung panchayat sung mitin laikha mitin ong laikha sini convener no sung saga chini secretary no sung saga obo sung bahai khani sadi lama mani brok mani sa tinin simi rifaijak tinin simi rasta saman bagai red faijak tinin simi samutangi tongni sawo
sabo
chini convener tinin simi samutangi tongni sawo kan norok bi phayang ka thangi nai din sawo jung hanka chini convener no a rasta khaje satsa bor jung no phyogia jung hanka chini sare mile phaine phaitung chini sim phaine phaitung jung hanka ab sitamani sa edri phajak lamas nami tongoni sawo hangka jung do hangka jung mani laikha do naigrano koyekdin norok nai naigra de lama bo thangi nai di sawo hangka jung phaileka jung hu phaileka jung buri botoro jung hu phaile mani phaine phaika ekdom it haino semen ganang buri nok ka groni thumu tubujak thain thaitam khlai haini berajak cycle gni thamlai ba siwasin cycle basa lailak ni klai sirikha jung ar ka samal jaga wo klai sirikha lailak ni
Bormura ADC village ni Twibaklai kami amsayo lama road block khalejak chini oro lupuro borok kodungma rongoi ni oro jaga lama hayani bagai allegation khalai tongmani joto proshashan level o salai tongmani phya batabo watui jarao tei bubare khangkha chung joto nogu oro jaga rugi chugi pregnant oma hajorao hospital to wani tini o kami amsaini borok rok kila bazar haptabo duibarungu o duibar mai kathang phalia hengkheno orni kami amsai ro kobangma problem ungu nukungo mai chanani nongnani boroni rang paisa ajinani onek income source of income of ungui thang nge ang nije bai thangbo proshashan ni thani barbar no sajak chief minister no letter rojak duibar chief minister no oroni simi letter rojak boni pore chief engineer bai kok salaija orni executive SDU tone engineer porono bu prai somoy malaike yang guri thang haike ni sawo je tini ang guri phaimani omhai lama haya nge bono emergency basis daiti khaidi hunai chaw nge tender engnai hi homani ta pojon to kodungma ngia prai 1.5 bosor 2 bosor kawi thangkha orni lama tender nani proses so tong hi kedeng man borok saw phia ba tak su jorang ya kho lukurok ni je allegation thik ni tong je asuk kedeng ma angnai hongoi si yang ngoi tong ye tini phungo orni lukurok ana phun khai hakha siri prai 6ta rok singnai na borok chenai drok afron ano phun khai hakha je chine oro omahai road block khale tong hala mahai ni bagoi ge angbo mane sidul khaja pila on 9ta nokkhana hine gari rok sajak omahai jorao ang daiti phaini phane phaimi ge ko khunke omone je प्रशासन नि थाने जों एक्जिक्यूटिव इंजीनियर चीफ इंजीनियर नि चीफ मिनिस्टर जों बार लोकनि बरनि अंगै आंनि जे बायथां मालाय कक सावै अमा आनि आमसाय बकलाय हाके सावै तंफादों बरखौनो एक्सन नाजाया तिनिबो आं बरबाय कक सालायफिनाय फुङावबो सालायखा इमारजेन्सि जाते बरनि जे लामा हायां तमानि म लाइलाक जरा एकबानो दायति इमारजेन्सि बेसिसआव खायनो नोंथां सुदु अरसिमिया केला आमसाय गोबांमा लामा न अमाहाय अबस्था ngoi tongo ang borok no busawai tongo lukuroni loge chung tongo lukuroni je sanmung boni sanmung chini sanmung hani bang chung ta oroni lukuroni ngoi angni je bu kok salai phinai higher authority bai bu kok salai phinai.
Children, women and youths together protested on this day demanding for their basic rights and needs. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.